Welcome to 325 Nate's Crossing, located in Upatoi, Georgia, just inside Harris County, and is approximately 6 miles from the city limits of Columbus, Georgia. This property is around 29-25 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. This is a great place to raise a family in this peaceful, private, and spacious home. Open and bright floor plan with hardwood floors throughout. Entry foyer leads to the formal dining room and living room. Wood-burning brick fireplace and built-ins in one of the 2 living areas. Master suite with ample closet space and very large master bath. Kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, and a view of the living area. This home has a private driveway off the cul-de-sac and sits on 6.9 acres. This is the den to the right of the foyer. Formal dining room with a hardwood floor adjacent to the den. First view of the living room, tray ceiling, hardwood floor. Second view of the living room. Breakfast room, just off the kitchen. This is the first view of the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, backsplash. Third view of the kitchen, tile floor. First view of the master bedroom. Second view, master bedroom. This is the master bath, very large and spacious. Tile floor, soaker tub. Another view of the master bathroom. Stand-up shower in the master bath. Second bedroom. Second view of the second bedroom. Third bedroom. Second view of the third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. Second view of the fourth bedroom. Second full bath. Tile floor. Shower and toilet for the second full bath. Half bath. Laundry room with plenty of cabinets. Back view of the house. Aerial view from about 300 feet.